Not being able to afford a bigger apartment is not a definite reason for you to feel miserable about your whole life. Particularly if you're a fashion enthusiast, having enough space for your wardrobe might be a big deal. But honey, life does not work on your side forever. Someday you find yourself destitute. You may not always be able to get every single thing you want. In the deep corner of your heart, you want a bigger apartment or even to purchase a grounded house. However, when life only gives you certain corners in your apartment or house for keeping your fashion belongings because the other furniture has occupied the different corners, you may find this page useful as we present 10 ideas on dealing with a narrow wardrobe. As always, head to the Simp Home source link inside the description for more bedroom organization. Number 10. A minimalist wardrobe design for a more spacious illusion. Having a modest wardrobe can help fool people into thinking you have more storage quota than you actually have. As a practical step toward realizing this concept, adding numerous shelves to the built-in closet is the first step. Then, hang items in the closet's center to add visual variety and improve efficiency. Those sneaker and heel collections of yours belong on the bottom shelves. Painting everything all white is another wonderful choice for adding a minimalist touch. Number 9. Cube shelf units to tidy up your accessories. You may need a cube shelf unit to store your valuables if your closet is already jam-packed to its max capacity with garments. This idea is the ideal choice we can offer you if you prefer to keep everything neat and organized without a major renovation. Also, for a small fee, you may have a cube shelf unit made specifically for you. A cube shelf unit with 8 cubbies would be a fantastic idea to separate your 2 wall-hanging garments. No longer will you have to fret over losing your valuable jewelry, handbags, and timepieces. Number 8. Add more rods to turn your closet more functional. You may never imagine that you can install another clothes rod in your wardrobe instead of one. You may make the most of your limited closet space by dividing it into 2 sections, each of which can house a staging area for a different item of clothing from your capsule wardrobe. Adding one more rod below the first one is an excellent solution to improve your closet accessibility. In addition, you can find the pieces you need more easily if you put them in 2 staging areas. Number 7. Beyond decorative purposes, install internal mirrors. You'll save space by not having a standing mirror in the bedroom, and the mirror's reflection will make your wardrobe look bigger. You may also save time matching your outfits with the attached mirror. You can find clever organization suggestions in the red closet David Cahoy created. 1. Install mirrors on the interior surfaces of your closet doors. 2. Install hooks on the door's internal faces so you can hang more goods and arrange your outfits. And 3. If you want to stay even more organized, use bins. Number 6. Transparent shoe bins to ease your reach. This idea is excellent for working on your small closet if you're excessively interested in pairs of heels, sneakers, and boots instead of stacking clothing pieces inside your wardrobe. You've probably thrown your shoes on the floor at the end of the day, only to find them the next morning. Meg Jenkins of Neat by Meg recommends clear shoe boxes and plastic stacking bins for keeping floors clean of shoes. The shoes inside are rarely worn and are labeled on the front, explains Jenkins. The Like It Shoe Space Saver is another one of our top tricks. You can stack the shoes on top of one another to maximize storage capacity. These are perfect for a more comfortable and low-profile shoe option for everyday use. Without investing in a commercial brand foreign to you, you can also consider the new DIY project to try. To help you with that, we recommend our featured resource titled 10 Bedroom Storage Cubes. Because of its nature, most of the ideas are straightforward. Check it out, and with that said, let's continue our countdown with Number 5. Different allocation for better organization efficiency. It's also preferable to have various hanging locations of varying sizes rather than having dresses folded in half or strewn across the floor. This will help maintain order in your closet by providing individual hangers for each article of clothing. The garments will keep much neater this way than if you folded them. You can also categorize your fashion items more efficiently based on their color, garment material, functions, or frequency this way. Number 4. An open design wardrobe to enhance your room's practicality. Although you will sacrifice your bedroom wall, you'll gain new room to breathe, and that result isn't just a side effect. Having extra options for organizing your belongings will help you keep things neat and make what you need quick and easy to find. If there are empty shelves or drawers, you can use them to store your belongings or even some decorative items to give the area a new feel. Number 3. optimizing every inch with floor-based and suspended system. There is a wide variety of closet configurations available. The ideal way to maximize storage and establish order in a long, narrow closet or any other irregularly shaped room is to experiment with new storage methods. A drawer and shelf unit stand in the owner's path as soon as she opens the long, narrow closet door. It's convenient to have drawers built into a closet for stowing intimates and other small goods. Items such as cherished keepsakes, woven baskets, and neatly folded garments find a home on the shelves. This bespoke design features shoe shelving along one extended wall of the wide closet. These shoe racks don't use up too much vertical space, so you can still hang clothes on the opposite wall and still have room for a central aisle to get to the back of the closet. Number 2. Building walk-in closet from a single closet space. This time you're moving up one level from the standard open closet designed for small bedrooms. The built-in closet niche provides a more substantial and concealed storage solution. With the tweak, you can mix and match open and closed storage here, such as shelves on top and drawers below. Curtains can be used in place of doors to conserve square footage and money, and you can also utilize a classic dresser to improve the closet's aesthetic appeal further. One way to increase your closet storage is to make a basket hanger just for your door. Before we complete the countdown with our final choice of the current list, we'd like to inform you that if you need other improvement ideas, you have SimpHome Content Collections on your side. There, we cover other interesting topics such as garden, home improvement, finance, bathroom upgrade, bedroom update ideas, and many more. We'll see you there, and until we meet again sometime in the future, let's close our countdown with number 1. Choose glass-fronted door to ignite the closet's lighting flow. Melanie Griffiths, the editor of Period Living, suggests replacing solid doors with glass-fronted ones in a closet with little room. They'll reflect the light nicely, especially if you paint the frames white. Nevertheless, the negative is, of course, you need to constantly maintain organizing a small closet to perfection with clothes hanging on fashionable hangers. Everyone may agree that having solid wooden doors in a narrow wardrobe creates a heavier impression on the eyes. Therefore, glass-fronted doors may be the more friendly option for visual convenience. Moreover, this idea also works to produce the illusion of having bigger storage spaces. The more substantial reason for selecting this design is because the glass will provide perfect light reflection throughout the room. Also, the glass-fronted doors save the time and energy of searching for your clothes as you can see them crystal clear from the outside. Having a small, spare space for your wardrobe is not the end of the world. You can keep loving the growing fashion industry and keep some masterpieces inside your closet, even if you have a tiny spot for them. That's it for now. Before you leave this presentation, we'd like to appreciate every second you spend watching the video. If we deserve more of your attention in the future, press the subscribe button if you haven't done it already. Like the video if you believe it will motivate the YouTube algorithm to push the video to more people. Honestly though, it's more like a myth to us, so feel free to move on with your plan after the video ends. Lastly, we hope you have great luck with your health and project. See you again soon.